pa. Hello everyone! So, for today's video, pupunta kami ngayon ng Blue Mountain. Bye! Hello everyone! So, ayan, nandito na kami sa Blue Mountain. Ayan siya. Ang init. Ay, ang init. Maaraw. Dito na kami, guys. Kakain muna kami. Tapos, saka na kami aakyat dun sa mountain. Ata? Aakyat ba? Aakyat ba pa? Hindi ko alam eh. Nasaan na sila? Ayan. Ang ganda dito. Parang Old Quebec, guys. Tapos, apparently, dito sa area na to, kapag winter, ginagawa yan pang ski. Pero dahil nga spring na ngayon, syempre nagmelt na yung mga ice. So, ayan. May Putin. Starbucks. Ang ganda! X. Ayan ang mga kainan. Maabot na. Guys, it's raining already. Oh no! Factory! Serving! Menu, guys. Here's our menu, guys. This is what's good. This is our order. It's 89.25 and it serves 5 people. And we're gonna add fries. So, ang dami nilang flavor, girls. This is garlic parmesan, mango habanero, Wild West, honey garlic, and then garlic.
Life with the vlogger.
Chippers. And this one is the seasoned fries. Sorry. Hello guys. So, ayan, let's start eating now. Let's start eating.
Thank you for the food.
So this one's the ano nga to? Yukon Chippers.
Try. How is it?
Good. So this one's the mango habanero. Let's try.
Tignan mo yung malaki. Tignan mo kung mainit. Tignan mo.
This one's the garlic parm, guys. Crap. So this one's the honey garlic, guys.
Perfect. That's what I love.
The Wild West.
Bel, abot mo yung Pringles. Pringles? Chippers.
Already done eating, guys. So, ayan. Kitain na namin sila dito. Rochelle. And then, merienda siguro for Beaver Tails. Yeah!
Kami! Gusto ko sa
Huwag mo ipigit. Nasanay na siya.
This dude.
Hindi kami na
On the side. What? Is that a cheesecake?
brownie.
Oh, it's a
Sabay,
brownie.
sabay.
You eat it first.
Isa pa.
Eat it again.
Sarap.
Mimi.
Yummy! Isa pa to. Yum!
Crap. Pagka frozen yung mountain is paakyat doon is magsiski ka. Pero I think ngayon wala. Kasi hindi siya gumagalaw. Pero merong cart which is yung gagawin natin ngayon. We're gonna ask how much. Oh yeah.
Single ticket is the place to go. All the prices are there depending on the ages.
We're gonna bring you up. That's why the duration is 5 minutes.
Don't be scared. This one's easy.
Yeah. Ayan ang sasakyan nila. Yung parang, ano ba yun? Tram? Basta. Ayan. Ito yung sasakyan nila. Orientation. Mima. Hindi ko muna isa-stop to. Para makita natin sila. Yan, nasasakay. Si VL, kasama niya si Kuya Harry niya. Dalawa sila. Yan. Buti na malinaw pa ang cam ko. Si Denise, si Papa, si Bianca. Doon sa harap ni Kuya Harry. Yun, kasha. Ayaw niya kay Papa. Ayan na si Denise. Nis! Paakyat na din. May interval bago magpaakyat ng isa't isa. Ang sunod ay si Papa, tapos si Kabayan. Ayan na rin si Denise. Saka si Papa. Ayun, si Denise. Oh. Si Papa naman ang next. Sana, ayun. Si Papa. Si Denise, oh. Tapos si Papa. Tayo natin dito. Tada! Yan na. Oh, si Papa tsaka si Denise. Smile! Si Papa. Paano sila?
And guys, it was so nice. I will insert a clip kasi nga bawal yung camera. And I noticed na bawal din talaga siya kasi nga dalawa yung hahawakan mo dapat. So, yes. Yeah. But it's so small compared to the ones that we bought.
There's too small.
Yeah, from the Quebec and Montreal. Yeah, but it's plate.
I mean, the wood is nice.
Yeah.
The square or the circle.
Yeah.
Oh, I like the... Oh, that one's nice. Yeah.
Wait.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Yeah, thank you.
Oh, free stickers. Did you get the magnets? Yeah. Going to Beaver Tails, guys.
Order na kayo.
Can I have a strawberry cheesecake?
Yeah.
And can I add a strawberry ice cream on top?
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you. This one's the strawberry cheesecake with strawberry. So ito kay Biel brownie with salted caramel ice cream on top. Mine strawberry cheesecake with strawberry on top. Pa, tikman mo to!
Oh, sure, yeah. Waiting first and then...
Tapos yung lemonade kanino?
Biel.
Wow.
So it goes by 3.45 per 100 grams. Grab a cup. So this is make your own?
Yeah. So you can mix or do one or whatever you want.
Oh yeah, that's nice.
Oh, here, you don't need to take your last.
Strawberry vanilla drink.
Just some are like sorbets, like the glass sorbet.
There's also dark chocolate chips, roasted almonds, rose, and then fruits, some, yeah, caramel. Oh, there's also Reese's peanut butter. Oh, ayan na siya guys. Better eat 3/4 of it. What? This is not yogurt. Saga everyone! So ayan, di ba? Bigla kaming napunta sa dagat. Dolomite ba to?
Tubig.
Dolomite? Or
Tubig.
hindi to man-made?
Tubig po kayo dyan, oh, tubig. Tubig po kayo na malamig sa malamig.
Si Tito nagbebenta.
Sa malamig.
Wala, parang ang sarap maligo. OA.
Hindi po na tayo dyan sa gilid-gilid to, no?
Kala mo laon yan. Pero ang pino ng dagat dito guys. Wait lang, doon muna ako sa yun lang guys. Ang beach bar and grill. Subway. In Osaka.
Not near our place, I don't think.
So yeah guys, ayan na sila. Tayo ay nasa dagat. Sobrang lamig siguro, no? Oo. And guys, we're done na. Tara! So, I think we're gonna go home now because it's already 6:03 p.m. So, ayan. 6:03 p.m. and may araw pa rin, syempre, dahil nasa Canada tayo. The weather now is tolerable for me. Hindi ganon kainit, di rin ganon kalamig. But syempre for them na nakatira dito sa Canada is mainit na. Pero ito yung tamang weather for me. Like, you will never experience this in the Philippines pag nasa beach ka. Ang lamig, ang sarap. Pero sabi nila, malamig pa rin daw yung tubig.